Hello all. We are going to be discussing about HTML, CSS, JavaScript free class first day session. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Yes, we are giving all technologies, all programming technologies free of cost. We are not actually charging money from you people, guys. So the first day session already done, but somewhere some issue is there, recorded, not there. But yeah, I am recording the session, no issues, guys. This HTML, CSS, JavaScript completely free. Why this HTML, CSS, JavaScript needed? Okay, let me tell you one important thing. Let me tell you one important thing. There is a concept called full stack, very trending word. There is a concept called full stack, very trending. This full stack is equal to there are two things. One is the front end plus one is the back end. Yes, exactly. What is the meaning of front end? What is the meaning of back end? Yes. Coming to the front end. Okay, front end technologies. Front end technologies. What are the front end technologies? Let me write down one by one. Yes, HTML is a very important thing. CSS, very important thing. I will tell you what is HTML, what is CSS, all these things. And one more thing, JavaScript, very important thing. On top of JavaScript, there are some other libraries are there like React, Angular, Vue.js. Yes, Vue.js. These are the front-end technologies which are very popular, highly demanded. And coming to the back end, yes, I am talking about the back end now. In the part of the back end, we will be having two things. We will be having two things. One is the server side. One is the server side. Yes, plus database. Database. Coming to the backend is the combination of two things. One is the server side, one is the database. Then what is the server side? What is the database? Server side is there are multiple languages in the server side. One is the PHP, normally you know. Then one is the Java, normally you know. Then one is the .NET, normally you know. After that, you will be having some other important thing called Python. Very famous. Trending number one in the IT industry. And one more important thing, Node.js. Super, extraordinary in the market. Node.js. Okay, very important. Golang is there. Golang is there. Ruby is there. Okay. So these are the server-side programmings. Coming to the database. Coming to the database. Database, there are a number of databases which are going to be available. There are a number of databases which are going to be available. Relational databases are there. No relational databases are there. Now you may ask a question. What is relational database? What is no relational database? Relational databases have tables, queries. No relational database, no table, no query, no table, nothing. It is something like a JSON architecture, tree architecture. Okay, let me write down all the things here. Oracle is there. Okay, MySQL is there. And SQL Server is there. And these are the relational databases, famous, you know. Coming to the NoSQL. NoSQL, just I am giving the gap. NoSQL, MongoDB. MongoDB, very important. NoSQL database. It is a tree structure. It is a JSON architecture. And one more is PostgRe. Yeah, PostgRe is also relational. Sorry, PostgRe is also relational. PostgRe. Coming to the MongoDB. What MongoDB? Why famous MongoDB now? Why Marna stack is required MongoDB? Why mean stack is required MongoDB? Why Maven stack required MongoDB? MongoDB have that much popularity, guys. You know Amazon, you know Flipkart, you know Myntra. All these people are actually following the MongoDB database. Yes. Fast accepting data. Fast accepting data. Fast retrieving data, which is following by the MongoDB. That is what actually we want to do. So in the part of the front end, we are looking into the HTML, CSS, JavaScript that is free. Later on, we will be having some emerging technologies like React, Angular, Vue. In the part of the backend server-side database, server-side, we will be having PHP, Java, .NET, Python, Node, Golang, Ruby. Sir, we are giving Mohan's strategy is different. Mohan, she is going to be providing all programming languages free in the YouTube. Free sessions also, free 30-day sessions also we are providing. You learn it, sir. You learn it. Even databases also, we will give free of cost. No need to pay money for that. We will upload all the videos, 30-day sessions for you. If you want to join, you can join with the live sessions. If you don't want, you can go for the channel Mohansh Technologies. You subscribe the channel, you follow the videos. But end of the day, you have to become a full stack web developer. That is Mohan's agenda. Then only you will be getting selected in the jobs. Why? Because of companies are looking for full stack requirements. Companies are looking for what? Full stack requirements. When you go for one requirement, they are asking questions on front end, they are asking questions on back end, they are asking questions on server side, they are asking questions on databases also. Sir, we are giving all the things are free, sir. Why you are wasting your time and why you are wasting your money? That is what actually I want to talk to you guys. Okay, come to the point. Okay, so this image I want to save. First of all, I want to save this image. Then I will go for the next image. I will go for the next image. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. So let me have yeah, this is the desktop. Imagine this is the desktop. Imagine this is the mobile app. Imagine this is the desktop. This is the mobile app. This is the server. Somewhere you will be having a database. Somewhere you will be having a database. Whenever you are sending a request from the client, for example, you will be having Amazon here. Amazon here. So from Amazon, you are doing something from the Amazon. You are purchasing some product. You are purchasing some product. Immediately the request is going to be sending to the server side. Immediately request is going to be sending to the server side. Server side processing your request and that request go to the database. That request goes to the database. Okay, fine, good. Based on your request. For example, your request is something like you are purchasing a mobile. For example, your request is about mobile. Mobile keyword searching by the server side. That API is going to be generating. That API is going to be sending to the server side. That server side is sending to the database. Immediately, database is responding you as mobile. Okay, all mobiles. For example, you are asking about mobiles. You are asking about mobiles. That mobile's response coming back. That mobile's response coming back from the database. And again, that mobile's data coming to the client. The same thing which is going to be happened by the mobile app also. Okay, for example, you installed a mobile app. Okay, no problem. The same data, same data. See, user is same, na? Even in the web, in the mobile, user is same. User is same. API is same. But what I want to talk to you is this is called front end. This is called back end. Okay. Server side plus database is called back end. Server side and database is called back end. And this front end, what I can able to see, user can able to see is front end. What user can able to see is the front end. This is front end, that is back end. Front end, back end always having some communication. Every request, whatever you process, that is having some communication. That communication is important. User, for example, I am the user, I am using Amazon today. I have n number of requests. I will send n number of requests. I am searching for n number of products. N number of requests are going, n number of responses are coming. That is going to be happening with the who is the handler? Who is the handler here? Server. Server side. For example, you go to the hotel. You order food from your table. Who will come immediately? One server. One boy will come. That boy act as a server. Kitchen is there now. Kitchen is act like a database. So you order a food. You order a food what? You order a food for server. Server take your request and give this request to the kitchen. Kitchen will prepare the food. Kitchen preparing the food and giving to the server again, not you. Server taking the food and giving you. Giving you. You means what? Your user interface. Your table is user interface. Server is the mediator. Server is the mediator between you and the kitchen. Server is the mediator between you and kitchen. Exactly. This is what actually I want to talk to you. This is what actually I want to talk to you. Server is the mediator. He is acting like a mediator between you and the kitchen. Yes. Kitchen is database. Table is you. Who is the mediator between you and kitchen? Server. Server side. I told you number of programming languages which are available in the server side. But now, right now, Mohansh Technologies providing you all client-side technologies free of cost. No need to pay money, sir. We just enjoy it. Enjoy it. Learn one by one. Learn one by one. Learn HTML, learn CSS, learn JavaScript one by one, free of cost. So I have some content already there in the morning session, right? So full stack is something like a front end plus back end. Front end is visible, UI, user interface. Back end is not visible. UI is something like user interacted with. Okay, front end technologies, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and React, Angular, Vue are modern. Server side PHP, .NET, Node with Express, Java, Python, Golang. Databases, Oracle is there, MySQL is there, SQL Server is there, MongoDB is there, Postgre is there. Multiple full stacks are there. Java full stack is there, .NET full stack is there, Python full stack is there, Marn stack is there, Mean stack is there, Maven stack is there, PHP full stack is there, Golang full stack is there. What is Marn? Mongo, Express, React, Node. Huge in demand, huge in demand. High paying salary jobs in Marn. Mean Mongo Express Angular Node. Maven Mongo Express Vue.js Node. Okay, come to the part of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. HTML is hypertext markup language. It is not programming language. It is simple to read and write. All HTML files are saved with .html. HTML used for design the web pages. Collection of predefined tags. Predefined. I already discussed with you. What is user defined? What is predefined? All these are predefined. CSS, cascading style sheets. CSS is not programming. It is just like syntax used for style your HTML content. The soul, what is the soul here? The soul is JavaScript. Soul, it makes your web page functioning. Okay, without soul, human will die, na? Dead body. It is like a dead body. HTML and CSS, nothing but a dead body. But when soul come into the picture, automatically it can react. It can react. It can do some different kind of actions. Even your HTML and CSS also do some actions with the JavaScript. If you want to search something, you need to give some request. You need to get some response. That already working with the JavaScript. JavaScript is in behind of HTML and CSS. JavaScript is programming language. It is open source. And it have huge number of libraries like jQuery, React, Angular, Vue.js, Knockout.js. Don't imagine this is like a beer, knockout. Okay, this is knockout. Maybe, maybe this knockout JS is very trending. Why? Because of the beer name. Okay, Express.js is there, EXT.js is there, Node.js is there. Very, very, very trending libraries in the world. You search in the Google. Who is the top 10 programming languages in the world? 2025. Top 10 programming languages in the world 2025. Can you see this image? Who is the top, Andi? Who is the top, Andi? JavaScript is the top one programming language. Okay, some people will say Python is programming. Python is the top one. So these two kids are actually playing. Some websites are actually showing like Python is number one. Some websites are actually showing like JavaScript is number one. End of the day, I want to say these two are number one. These two are number one. Not only Python, not only JavaScript. If you know Python very well, you know JavaScript very well, you keep in your resumes, 100% you will be getting selected in the any company. Why? Because of all projects are actually needed Python and JavaScript. Compulsory, compulsory, compulsory. Even fresher resume required, sir, 10 years back, 12 years back. If I create a resume, MS Office, C language, C++, I know, I don't know, I don't know. I need to keep it. At least I need to keep it. I know MS Office, I know C language, I know C++ language. But nowadays, every resume should needed JavaScript and Python programming languages. Yes, you are going for cybersecurity. You are going for artificial intelligence. You are going for data science. You are going for web development. You are going for blah, 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 blah. At least your resume should show some programming fundamentals. If you don't know programming fundamentals, definitely you cannot be settled, sir. So Mohan's target is different. Mohan is going to be providing all the programming languages free, not only JavaScript, not only Python. Even Mohan is going to be providing Java classes free, Java 30 days free, Go language 30 days free, even some future .NET also free. Programming languages, basics, programming languages, basics people need to have in the resumes. Mohansh Technologies YouTube channel. I will show the YouTube channel also. You can see the YouTube channel here. So let me show the Mohansh Technologies YouTube channel. You will be getting the playlist here. So please click on the playlist. So we are going to be providing all the technologies free of cost with 40, 50, 100, 200 videos. Number of different concepts and interview questions, all the things we will be uploading in the YouTube. You just follow it, subscribe the channel, share with your friends. Share with your friends. You are enjoying it. That is not a good thing. Please share with your friends in your groups also. Mohan's target is completely different. What Mohan is different, sir. Mohan is going to be having all the emerging technologies. Can you see this? Can you see this? This is not Amirpet boards. You can't see this technologies in Amirpet boards or Bangalore boards or Chennai boards. Our target is completely different. Our target is only on job-oriented technologies. Quantum computing. Who invented quantum computing in Amirpet? Who started quantum computing in Amirpet or Bangalore? In India? Narendra Modi garu already given a uh, lakhs of rupees, lakhs of crores for the quantum computing. Chandrababu Naidu garu is also investing, and he is going to be starting with the Quantum Valley in Amaravati. Quantum Valley. He already developed Hyderabad, the high-tech city, cyber towers. Now he is actually going with the quantum computing. That is emerging now. And blockchain, we have the blockchain web 3.js, we have the blockchain security, we have the blockchain in Python. In coming days, in coming years, transactions will be go with the only blockchain. Exactly. Remember my word, note my word. And we have only emerging technologies. Okay. So please like the video, subscribe the channel, and share with your friends. Comments are needful. If you have any queries and questions, you can comment us. We will get back to you. That is what actually I want to say with you. And in the next class, I go with the starting point of HTML. I hope everybody got understand about the front end and back end. So front end is this, even it is a desktop or mobile. Back end is this server side plus database. You may understand how the request and response is going to be working like. Thank you. Thank you for listening the session. Like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Search in YouTube, Mohansh Technologies. Immediately like the videos, share the videos, subscribe the channel. All technical skills are free of cost. All programming skills are free of cost. No need to pay single penny. Penny means paisa. Single rupee. Exactly, guys. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. See you. Signing off. We'll meet in the next video.